In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your ConvertKit plan. If you've been considering making this change, we're here to walk you through the process seamlessly in just a few minutes. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to the ConvertKit website. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the site, look for the login area so you can access your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to register first. Make sure your login credentials are handy so that you don't get stuck at this step. Great! Now you're logged in. The next step involves reaching out to ConvertKit's support team to request the downgrade. This part is essential, as ConvertKit requires direct communication to change your plan. Send them an email at help@kit.com, making sure to clearly specify which plan you wish to downgrade to. This clarity helps their team process your request more efficiently, potentially speeding up your downgrade. Keep in mind that when you downgrade your plan, you might receive a prorated refund for any unused portion of your current plan. This means you'll be credited for the time you haven't used, and then charged for the remaining time on the downgraded plan. This bit of information is particularly helpful for budgeting expectations as you transition between plans. An important note here: just because you downgrade or even cancel your subscription with ConvertKit, it doesn't mean your account will be deleted automatically. If you're looking to totally clear out and remove your account entirely, that's a separate action you'll need to undertake. To delete your account, you'll want to head over to Settings in your ConvertKit dashboard. From there, navigate to Account and Billing, then My Plan. You should see an option to delete my Kit account. This action is permanent, so ensure that is indeed what you wish to do before clicking that option. And there you have it. Downgrading your ConvertKit plan is straightforward, but it does require you to interface directly with their support team via email and to consider your preferences for maintaining or deleting your account. Hopefully, this video has clarified the process, and you're ready to make those changes confidently and efficiently. As always, if you have any more questions or need additional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to ConvertKit support for more detailed guidance. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.